Hello students, welcome to this video on the online English class on the lesson The Helpful Young Man. Now, in the last class, in the last video, we had discussed how the young man had helped his father to restore his eyesight. He brought the special fish, he brought a magical sand from the special fish and rubbed it on the eyesight of his father, and it cured his father's eyesight. When the youngest son cured the eyesight of his father, the elder brothers became jealous of him. They were scared that he might be the heir to the father's property. शायद इसको सारी जायदाद उनके पिता दे दें, इसी के लिए उन्होंने एक चाल चली इसको घर से भगाने के लिए. दे conspired to drive him out of the home. So let us read out what actually did the brothers do and what did the young man do after he was driven out from his house. So here I am reading out the story. They means the brothers. They grew jealous of their youngest brother. They feared that he would be the heir to the father's property. The eldest brother came forward and said, "Thanks, O Lord, you have restored our father's eyesight. But dear father, may I ask our youngest brother, where are the eyes of the fish you needed? He has touched your eyelids just with sand. It is a mere chance that your eyesight has been restored. It was possible that the touch of the sand could have caused you injury." So you can see how the brothers conspired against the young man. उन्होंने चाल चली और अपने पिता से बोला that he has simply touched sand which could have caused injury to your eyes, and they compelled their father that he should instruct the youngest son to bring the fish that was prescribed by the fakir. Now let us read out the next part. Other brothers stood by him. They compelled their fathers that he should be asked to bring the eyes of the fish. Their plan went well. The good son was disgraced to leave the house. For his dishonesty, he left the house and roamed aimlessly as he had nowhere to go. Now the plan of the elder brothers worked well. They compelled their father that the youngest son should be sent out of the home, should be driven out of the home till he brings the fish and rubs the eyes with the ash of the fish. तो सारे भाइयों की चाल कामयाब हो गई. उन्होंने अपने पिता को मजबूर कर दिया कि सबसे छोटे वाले भाई को घर से निकाला जाए और तब तक आने ना दिया जाए जब तक वो स्पेशल फिश लेके ना आए. नाउ हियर यू कैन सी compelled. Compelled means forced to do something. We have another word, disgraced. Disgraced means to insult or insulted. Now let us read out further and find out what did the young man do. One day as he was passing through a forest, he noticed that a black buck means deer, a black buck came running to him. The small animal stood by him and spoke in a trembling voice. Trembling means shaking, कांपती हुई आवाज में बोलना. So let us find out what did the deer say. "Dear sir, the hunters are after me. Please save me. I will help you whenever you call me." So the deer promised to help the young man whenever he needed. And let us find out what did the young man do. The young man trusted the buck. "Got into this ditch, go into this ditch, and I will cover you with grass and leaves. When they go away, I will call you back." The buck acted upon his advice. When the hunters came, they asked, "Have you seen any buck this way?" "What is a buck?" he said. So the young man advised the deer to hide in a ditch. Ditch means gadha, a big hole in the ground. Okay? And the deer acted accordingly. When the hunters came, the young man misled, befooled the hunters by saying that he doesn't know anything about the buck. Now let us read out further. "This fool doesn't know what a buck is. Hurry up, lest we should miss the opportunity," they said. Now lest means otherwise, and lest is always followed by should or might. Remember that. Now when the hunters had gone away, the young man called out the deer. He said the deer to come out of the ditch. And let us find out what happened next. "Come out now, they have gone away." The buck thanked him and promised to help him when he was in distress. The boy continued his journey. Now let us discuss some meanings and comprehensions. Hire means a person who gets the legal possession of a property. Compelled means forced to do something. Disgraced means insulted. Buck means a deer. Lest means otherwise. Distress means to be badly in need of help. You can also say to be in a helpless situation. Why were the elder brothers jealous of their youngest brother? Now here is the answer. They feared that he would be the heir to their father's property. Why? Because he had cured their father's illness. इतना आपको जोड़ देना है. What did the young man do after leaving his house? He roamed aimlessly as he had nowhere to go. That is the answer. How did the young man help the buck? He helped the buck by hiding it inside a ditch and by misleading the hunters. You can also say the young man protected the deer by hiding it inside a ditch and misleading its hunters. What did the buck promise the young man? Here it is. "Please save me, I will help you whenever you call me." तो इसी को आपको आंसर बनाना है. You should write the buck promised the young man to help him whenever he called him, या to help him whenever he is in need of help. You can find out the answer here also. The buck promised to help the young man when he was in distress. This is also an answer. So read the entire page, try to understand the story, and complete all these comprehension questions and answers in your notebook. Thank you for watching this video.